Hey, you and I are making hot and sour soup with tofu today. I love to make this soup, it's like magic in a bowl. You get seafood, tofu, chicken, mushroom, spiciness, sourness in a one big bowl. So let's start with 1 liter chicken stock, 200 gram crab meat, 5 pieces dry shiitake mushroom slices, 10 gram black fungus. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. 1 boneless chicken leg meat, 4 small red chili, 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, a few dashes of white pepper and salt to taste. Remove the floating whiting. Add 4 teaspoons white vinegar, but usually I preferable church vinegar. Since I run out of that vinegar, I use white vinegar. And this part is totally up to you. If you prefer a more sour side, add more vinegar, or you can add less if you like less sour. So just adjust up to your liking. Add 1 box of smooth tofu, 5 fresh prawns, 4 tablespoons cornstarch water, half cup of spring onion. We love a thicker version of this. If you don't, you can add lesser cornstarch water, 2 beaten eggs, and it's done. So enjoy, guys.